morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube or in the Discord or in the X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Jose, Mike, JWA, G-Line, Skunk Ape, Kenny, you, Nick, Cyrus, TW, Savage, Nathan Ader, Fat Guy, How to Be Tight, Josiah, Luke S, Coach Grizz, Raphael, to Gritty. What's up, G-Lines, G-Trader? Shows the Percy, you caught that big dogger. I mean, I wouldn't call it a big dogger, but it's the reason why I was late. That's for sure, yeah. I got $5,700. Whatever. You know me too well, Broccoli. You know me too well. I can't not. Sorry, I can't not get it. Jeez, we are so close to 7. Wait, are we? No, we're almost there. Yeah. 672, 15,000. We have 687,000 in the personal now. Huh. Oh my God. Nobody's doing it like this. Nobody's doing it like this. Not a single person. I wish I would have taken more size. Anyway, Sean Duncan, Trader Page, Rips Mod, Mike, Kaizen, Tomoki, John WD. Luna just ticking around. Coco Spastric, Kelvin. What up? And we closed it right around 20. Anyway, should take away more size. Anyway, whatever, man. Hold on, I need Celsius. Wait, were people in chat actually saying like I was in a trade? For real? It's ASMR time. This is no longer a trading channel. You're feeling so relaxed. Listen to the sound of that straw. Checked Dollar Tree yesterday. No Celsius in my store. Dang it. Oh, that's a bummer. Start licking the mic, dude. I don't know about that. I should have taken more size. I was like, I can go live. I just took the trade. Cosmic Vibe Celsius today. That's right. It is a cosmic vibe. That might be the, oh snap, Acumen. Happy birthday. Can we all wish a happy birthday to Acumen? It's Acumen's birthday today. Finally 21. Let's go, baby. Salty Sailor says, I blew my live ninja. So frustrating. Everyone live accounts is real money that's gone, not just a profit. Yeah. Dude, I try to tell people. Two things I'm often responding to. People are like, how do I join your Discord? I'm like, dude, the streams are free. Watch the free streams. And the other one is like, which broker do you use? I'm going to sign up for a real prop account. It's like, dude, it's not the broker. Don't do that, because that money's going to be gone. That MC level, dude, why you think I closed it, dog? What do you think I'm doing out here? Why do you think I closed that? I will tell you this, it's so much easier taking trades when there's not 2,000 people watching you take those trades. It's a lot easier. Ooh. I didn't watch the VGK game. I was sleeping. What happened? Don't tell me. Please, no. Come on! Come on. Did McNasty float across the ice and just smack faces? I know, I see it now. I'm looking now. Thanks, dude. You're so proud of your freaking Oilers. God. Was McNasty just floating, skating backwards with the puck between his... Come on! Did I see the raccoon in Springfield, Ohio caught smoking meth? No way. Oh, that's funny. That's that's funny. Oh my goodness. India, Pakistan war breaking out. Dude, that is crazy, by the way. That came out of nowhere. That wasn't on my bingo card. That's horrible. War is always horrible. It is crazy. Saw that. I was like, huh? I didn't even know there was tensions right now. It is crazy. What caused the massive buys after previous close? Oh, come on. You got to know this. Anybody know what caused this? Dude, come on. That makes me disappointed. You watched the rip stream and you don't know what that was? Come on. Dude, come on. Okay, thank you. TW. Wow, that was way too long of a delay, by the way. AMD. Yeah, AMD caused that. Yes. It was China. China! We are going to be heading into talks with them. We have talks scheduled. I saw a lot of people were like upset about that. I'm sure people were shorting. I don't know. Skincare routine, bro. What? I can take this two different ways. I don't know, moisturize? I don't know, dude. As we release a... Folks are on a good one. Dude, I don't know. Just freaking turn on some lights and have nice wash skin, I guess. I don't know, dude. What's up, Dylan? How you doing, buddy? Oh, snap. I forgot. It's payout day. I almost forgot. I looked at my P&L. I was like, I should trade these things. And I'm like, no, we get to pay out, baby. So, if you haven't been on X lately, you're missing out on... I mean, it's in between comedy and, like, embarrassment. I feel, there's a, like, I feel bad because, like, here, let me show you. Let's get on the same page first. It's the same joke as we made last time, but it worked again. It's kind of crazy. This is like, I can't believe it. So I said, absolutely gutted about today. Thought maybe, just maybe, I could finally get a handle on these markets, but no! Once again, these markets prove to me that they are a complete and total scam. I was green on these accounts at some point, but obviously the market had a different idea. I'm on the wrong side of this market constantly. It's completely testing my mental strength. I'm taking my bike, sold my car yesterday, out to the desert to relax and get away from my screens for a very long time. I wish everyone the best, but this trading stuff is impossible. And this is what I posted. And we got the sleuth music going here. This is, by the way, what I posted. $3.70 loss. I mean, it's kind of like an IQ test. If you couldn't figure out that, like, this is completely, like, there's no way that somebody is this upset about $3.70. There was, like, people that were, like, dead serious, though. There's, like... people that were dead serious about this. It was pretty funny. Anyway, we went on. We had, where was it? Did it already disappear? Where did the thing go? Oh, this. This setup could change your life so easily. And I said, would you mind posting the real money trade you took from this life-changing setup? You know, setup could change your life. Where's your real money trade on it? That whole thing. And there's nothing. Nothing. Chirp, chirp. Crickets. And then I said, oh my God, this setup changed my life. I was in a meeting and I just randomly found an area on the chart that looked like it went up. And I drew like a trade line on it. Look at this. 20,000 views. 20,000 views on this setup changed my life. Completely nondescript nonsense. And then on this, 10,000 views. We've ran up an account to almost $700,000 in profit. Make $15,000 in a trade. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. But hey, this setup changed my life. 20,000. I'm just gonna start doing this. It's amazing. This is amazing. Incredible. You know what? I feel like we could just do this. Just go right here. There we go. A little drawing tool here. This is the short side, right? Yep, short position. And then we just take that there, right there. Our stop, of course, that's where we for sure had it, right? And then, whoops. And then we take it down to the exact bottom. Aha. Right there. Ah, there we go. Got him again. Zoop. Screenshot that. And this is how you do it, folks. This is how you get the big bucks right here. Where's the post? Oh, post right here. And then we do this. This setup will make all of your dreams come true. And then, hold on, we need a good emoji. Let's do it like the shooting star, because stars and dreams are, boom. Got him. And boop. Here we go. Got him. We got him. Look at that. This setup will make all your dreams come true. Amazing. I had no idea it was this easy to be popular on Twitter. It's amazing. Hey, we got 100. Hello, 197 of you. Hello. Wait, hold on. I want to look over this way and look over this way. Can we say hello to each other? Hello, Rips. Rips, I'm over here. Look this way. You're taking too long. Oh, I'm posting. There's a lot of lag, I guess. Anyway, that was what we've been doing on Twitter. It's crazy. It's a wild place. I'm gonna get a lot of engagement on that. Change your life, man. Change your life. That setup right there. It'll change everything for you. Okay, so let's get back to business here. That was a flip day for the past 2 days, and you're like, well, Ripsy, what's a flip day? Well, we hit our we need to have 10 trading days. We need to have a profit target for our second payout in Tradeify. This is the straight to funded accounts. This is what that looks like. So we have the profit target was 4,500. We smashed it. We kept our consistency in line, because remember, the consistency easy to figure out. 4,500, right, is your goal. You have 10 days to get there. So you have to be betwixt $450 and $900. You get that number very easily. Very, very simple. So you take the profit target, 4,500, take off a 0, and then multiply it by 2. So you want to be between 450 and 900. And that's what we did each and every single day, right? Our biggest profitable day was $883. And this is across 5 accounts. We're doing 5 straight to sim funded accounts. So 4,500 was our profit goal. We smashed that. We got 5,100. Total profit is now $15,000 across these accounts. We've been trading them for 20 days. We met all the consistency rules. Got 10 trading days, and then we're above profit. So what do we get to do now? We get to add a payout. So we get $15,000 minus 10% for the big guy. That's $1,500 for them. We get $13,500 today. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm going to, let's see. Okay, perfect. This is perfect. So here's what we're gonna do. The moment that I click request, we're gonna hit the stopwatch button and we're gonna see how long on this stream live does it take Tradeify to approve and send me my money. Do you think that's fair? Put them to the test, see how long it takes Tradeify to pay me out. What do we think? Do you think that's a good idea? I mean, this might make them look really, really bad though. But I'm here for it, baby. I'm here for it. Should we use Google stopwatch? Anybody have the over, the under? What do we think? How long to get them to pay me out? An hour? 2 hours? 2 days? What do we think? All right, let me go in this. I want to request. I can hopefully bring this over. Okay, so what am I requesting? $3,000 per account, right? I think that's what wait, can I request more? Let me see, hold on. Go into the help center really quick. Payouts and withdrawals. Straight to sim funded. Payout tiers, okay. Oh, $3,000 this time. This is my second payout. So $3,000 again is what I'm gonna be requesting from these bad doggers. Okay. I think we do this too. If it is, I haven't requested yet, by the way. If it is, let's say if it's under 10 minutes, I give away 2 free Tradeify accounts. If it's under 5 minutes, I give away 5 free Tradeify accounts. How about that? And then if it's over, what did I say? 10 minutes? Hold on. Okay, let's say, let's do a poll actually. How long will it take to get paid on Tradeify? 10 minutes or less? 5 minutes or less? 1 hour or less? 1 hour, more than 1 hour. Okay, there we go. There's the poll. While we're doing that, I'm gonna start requesting these. So here we go. First one's in. Hold on, I'm gonna click the button. Hold on. Wait, what happened to my music? Okay, there it is. Okay, clicking the button. Payout requested, submitted for review. All right, we're on the clock. Here we go. Next account. Requesting payout. Boom. 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 All right. Okay, the requests are in. There we go. 5 requests are in. Let's see how long this takes, huh? We're 43 seconds in, and I'm going to tell you this right now. This is a bunch of baloney. I can't believe this. How is this taking so long? I can't believe this. All right, just got an email. Payout request received. Okay. Okay. Payout request has been received. Okay, fair enough. Well, I'm kind of disappointed. Well, with the change to no payout window, they changed it so it's only doing during business hours. Isn't it business hours? Because I'm streaming right now. Those to me seem like business hours. You know what I mean? They had this cutscenes lined up for the last 6 months. I didn't even know Tradeify existed 6 months ago. Brett is driving the money over right now. That'd be cool. We might be waiting here for a while, so we might as well look at the markets, I suppose. Right? What did we see? We saw 1 hour or less is the leading thing. 10 minutes or less was the other leading. 5 minutes or less. Wow. I can't even imagine. Like, my money's on like it probably taking about an hour. That's where I'm thinking. Because we are now in the well, okay, hold on. wait. What? Hold on. Okay, so 2 minutes and 30 seconds. How long till Rise email? I don't know. Wait. Paid? What? Hold on. What? Yes! Yes! Yeah! Oh my God. I guess we could stop that. Okay. Look at that. Selling R. That's my name. That's pretty dope. All right. Well, yeah, I think that might be the fastest I've ever been paid out before. That's maybe we should do some giveaways. That's that was quick. That was quick. I mean, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was gonna be like an hour, but that was quick. That was crazy. Okay. And everybody's like, dude, it's not in your rise yet. Hold on, make sure I don't have any. Really? Is it not? Is it not? Really? Really? Everybody's saying it's not your rise yet. Is it not? What is All right, hold on. Let me see if I can withdraw without showing anything here. Hold on. Get it. Yeah, whatever. You can see the last, you can see my last 4 digits and whatever. All right. Boop, 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 boop. All right, hold on. I want to make sure this doesn't show anything. All right. I want to watch. I'm going to click. Well, I don't want to show anything, but whatever. I'm clicking whatever. Roll the dice. Please don't show anything personal. Boop. Oh, I need, yeah, hold on. I need my security key. Hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. I need my security key. Hold on. Give me a second. I don't want to show any of this. I gotta find my, all right, is it the recovery code? No. What's my security key? Uh-oh. This isn't working as intended now. Wait, what's my security key? Oh, wait, hold on. There it is. It auto-populated. Let's see if this works. Okay. Go. Please. Processing. Wait for it. Money's on the way, baby. Let's go. That was, okay, literally, that was less than 10 minutes. That was less than 10 minutes, dude. That's insane. Come on. All right, because that was about 5 minutes, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give away 5 free Tradeify accounts. Let's do that. Now show big bounce for food. All right, let's do a giveaway for five free Tradeify accounts. Let's do that. Let's start. Let's kick it off with one right now. What do you think? Let's do that. Ty says this guy is kind of strange. Well, you know, sometimes you gotta be a little weird. Sometimes you gotta be a little kooky. That was amazing though. Big fan of this. All right, so here's how we're gonna do this. Dude, like, how could I not be happy right now? We're up 13,500 plus 5,700. Dude, we're up like $19,000 today. And I barely did anything. I barely did anything. I just woke up, rolled out of bed, and I was like, ah. That's amazing. That's freaking amazing. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Because the market's just, there's no news coming out. You know? No news coming out. Let's do this. Let's get the little giveaway thing. Dude, that was so sick. That was so fast. Can't even believe that. It was insane. Oh, they posted in their Discord too. Look at that. That's dope. That's awesome. All right, so let's do this. This right here. Grab the giveaway thing. Ripsmod, if you would please. Oh, there it is. It's already there. Tradeify sale. You see that link right here that Ripsmod posted? The Tradeify sale one? Yeah, that one. Click that link. Okay. Click that link. Okay. Click that link. Scroll down. Oh, by the way, you see the people joining VIP, you get 10x the luck if you're VIP. Okay, so you scroll down on that page. I gotta load up my giveaway bot here. You scroll down on that page. It says on a mission to make blank accessible to everyone. On a mission to make blank accessible to everyone. You type in that word in chat one single time. That's all you do, one single time. And that qualifies you in the giveaway. That's all you need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and end the poll because 5 minutes or less was the correct answer, by the way. And the leader was 10 minutes or less. Wow, you folks had a lot of faith. I thought it was gonna take like an hour. That was crazy how fast that went. You just got paid. Your withdrawal being processed. It's so sick. So dope. Steve Madden is doing their earnings right now. Steve Madden. Sorry, I'm talking like people on X. I'm giving away 5 free Tradeify accounts. Because it was under 5 minutes. I feel like it's only right, you know? You see this little star next to the people's name? That's a member. That's a VIP member. One of these people. J Buck, Stevie J, aka the goats of goats. Anyway, you type it in one single time. Make sure you're following me on X and on Instagram. If you're not, then you can't win, because I'm going to call out your name and say, hey, what's your username on X? What's your username on Instagram? You're going to tell me and you're not going to be following me, and then you lose a free account. And then you can't get 5-minute payouts. Come on. All right, we have quite a few people in the giveaway so far. Wow, we got a lot of people in the giveaway. Amazing. Sometimes I can't control myself, and sometimes before I know it, I'm just finding ways to click the button, and here it is. The first winner is Venom Impact. Give it up for Venom Impact, first winner of 5 free Tradeify accounts to celebrate less than 5 minutes in a payout. Yeah, I know, it's crazy, right? You didn't think you're gonna win, and then here you are winning. It's incredible. It's insane. All right, I'm gonna put you on the clock. You have, I'm gonna say 45 more seconds to claim. All you have to do is type in your username without the @ symbol. Do not put the @ symbol. All right. You fall on X. All right. I guess I'm just gonna try to look myself, I suppose. We're gonna play the guessing game. I used to not do this, but Venom Impact. Yeah, there's that one doesn't follow me. This is the time where you should be typing it in. But hey, so that Venom Impact doesn't follow me. Oh, hey, there we go. I wasn't gonna guess that. I know you think that I was, but I'm not that good of a guesser. Let's see here. You do follow me. My man. Congrats. 1 free Tradeify account. Let's see. Just crafting the message here. All right, back to your profile here. It's okay, you don't have Insta. You're good enough. Boom. All right, follow those instructions. Next person, second winner, coming at you hot. Blah! Trader Joe 214. You are the next winner, my friend. That's right. It's you. It's you, Trader Joe. It's you. Oh man, 25 more seconds to claim, buddy. 25 more seconds to claim. Fire jury. Let's see. Okay, I mean that's not a username, but hey, there we go. Awesome, my man. Gotcha. Okay, my man. Give it up for Trader Joe. They got it. Here you go. Congratulations to you. There you go. Follow those instructions. You bet. All right, I'm gonna do one more, and then we'll go back to this in a second. One more. Jermaine Kingston. Jermaine. Next winner. Remember, you only get 1 minute to claim, so don't lose hope. We can all root against Jermaine right now. No, don't. I think Jermaine won before. Yes, it is you. Okay, what's that username? I'll put you on the clock starting now. You have 1 minute. 1 minute to figure out how to get me your username. Robin, oh, you're funny. People are so funny. You got 30 more seconds to claim, Jermaine. Jermaine Kingston. Well, there's somebody on X that's not you. Remember, you don't type the @ symbol. I feel bad when people can't claim. Jermaine Kingston. Five, 4, 3, 2, and bah, re-rolling. Ron Mexico. Ron Mexico. You're winner number 3, baby. Winner number 3. Winner number 3. Okay, here we go. Walter. Let's see. See, that wasn't so hard. That wasn't so hard. Doop-a-doop-boo-boo. And you do follow me. Give it up for Ron Mexico. My man. Let me send you this right here. Made my morning. Well, you made my morning, man. I love seeing people win. And there you go. By the way, there is a lot of folks out there that are pretending to be me. I'm never going to DM you. I don't have any trading robots. I don't have any copy service. I don't do anything with crypto. I'm not on Facebook. Hold on. EU Commission or something is preparing countermeasures to tariffs. So there you go. I responded to you, Rips. Yeah, a little bit too late, my friend. A little bit too late. I gave you a full minute, 30 seconds. All you have to do is, like, my name is this. Don't put the @ symbol and that. And if you need to, like, just keep spamming it until it shows up next time. Nothing that I can do about it. The rules are rules. Dude, there's scammers on Discord, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram. I think that's it. Oh, and Facebook. Also MySpace. But it's not me. It's never gonna be me, unfortunately. Let's see here. Did you DM me on MySpace and Tinder? Yeah, that's probably me. Probably me. The message I got on Zing isn't actually. No, it's not me. It ain't me. I know, it's crazy, right? It's so crazy. Anybody trading right now in this kind of little choppiness? I mean, the best trade was the setup that changed my life. That thing right there. Or no, that was the setup that makes all my dreams come true. That was the best trade right there. To use Dom Pro on Bookmap, you can. It's very extensive. If you're a Dom trader, like if that's like your goal to be a Dom trader, like 100%. It's very, very good for that. But you can get by just using the regular old built-in Dom. What caused that drop? Just price action. I mean, it was just a break of this structure right here. There was not really any news that came out that started forcing that down. I mean, just pure price action. And it looked like we were going to threaten that massive break in the S&Ps, but we recovered. Let me show you what I mean. This little snapacito. Right here. This structural break, and then we retested. We kind of built up a lot of liquidity down here. You can see liquidity is flat right there. So we'll have to see whether or not this is going to continue to just kind of shake around here. Oh yeah, TikTok is not me either. That's right. I mean, it's really easy to figure out. If I'm messaging you and you didn't win a giveaway, like, easy way to get scammed, somebody's gonna be like, I saw you were watching my stream today and I saw that you didn't win the giveaway, but I'm gonna give you a second chance. Just sign up for blah blah, like some crap like that. Like, just like, dude, I got things to do. I'm not reaching out to random people on the internet and being like, hey, want to be my friend? What's going on? You know, it's ridiculous. I saw your profile in an adult friend finder. It said 80% discount. Use code RIPS. RIPS probably means a different thing in that context. Good morning, Rips. Love your content and really thankful for your streams. I follow you from almost 3 months now. Got better by 500%. Well, that's better than 80%. What can I say? Rips, advise me, please. I'm going to Vegas for 2 days with my girlfriend. Could you name any unsafe suburbs that we shouldn't go sleep as tourists, where we shouldn't drive the car due to traffic jams or something? Just stay in the city of Las Vegas. It's quite small. Don't go like downtown Las Vegas. It can get a little seedy. But just stay like in the area of the strip where it's like Bellagio, Wynn, Venetian, Palazzo, Encore, you know. Just stay in that area of the strip and you'll be just fine. Don't talk to weird people. I don't know. I mean, Vegas is a very nice place. A very, very nice place. Let's see here. Ribs, please explain the benefit of being a subscriber since you were streaming for free. Did I get scammed by someone else? Probably, yes. Probably. Ribs, what are those big volume graphs right at the side of the screen? Those are volume profiles. This is the visible range volume profile. VRVP in TradingView. That's the one. You sent me 5 iTunes cards on thing. Do they still make iTunes gift cards? Is that still a thing? Good morning, Rivers. You have a video on how to identify an order block. I mean, there's tons of videos about that on YouTube. Tons of videos. What's the name of the indicator showing all the levels on your TradingView chart? This is the same one it's always been, Spaceman BTC. Key level. Key level. That's the one. That's the one we use. Spaceman BTC key level. It's amazing. It's amazing. If you see a big block of orders near a key level, do you wait for sweeping before reversal? Generally, I mean, if I'm seeing like a lot of orders, I'm seeing how they're interacting with those orders. Are they keeping them up there? Are they staying? Is it real orders? Like when we interact with that liquidity, is it staying what it's at? Is it an iceberg? There's a lot of different things I'm looking at. Also, like what is the current state of the market? Are we seeking liquidity? Are we coming out of a chop zone? There's a lot of different things. Like if it was so easy, you know, then we could all just write a simple script and go home for the day. But it's not. It's very contextual based on what's going on in the markets. That's why I love reading order flow, because you're in the mix of what's happening here and now. Pair that with like the macro environment. Do we just have news that dropped? What's shuffling the market around? A lot of different things. Tune in a little late today. Well, welcome. Not too late. Welcome. We already answered that. Pushing to stay awake through this price action got me feeling like pushing to stay awake on Quaaludes. Yeah, I mean, this is not going to be great price action. That's why I like sniped this before I went live. Like I had to get something because I know I'm probably not going to be. This is going to be probably likely. Although, you know, we have seen some FOMC sessions where we can have, you know, sort of like some meandering of price, but it's not going to be super unless we have headline news. Like if we have an escalation in the global conflict, the trade war, well, not global conflict, but India-Pakistan conflict, tariffs, global trade war, some sort of leak related to the FOMC, which would never happen. You know, that can move the markets around, but I'm not expecting a lot. Please elaborate on how that changed your life. Because I made $5,000 from it. That's life-changing money, baby. Let's see here. Oh, wow. This scrolled up a lot. Can you convince Tradeify to do a 50% sale on straight to fund it? I don't think so. I really doubt it. I mean, 30% off is still really good when you think about it. Is it a growth account? I'm not sure. We'll find out together. It is a free account though. Thanks, Ribs. I've learned so much from watching that I got the hang of it. Just still learning to do it on the actual prop firm account because of my sim aim. I think that you should always be learning in a sim. For real. It's okay though. Gotta crawl before you can walk. Walk before you can run. Run before you can sprint. Sprint before you can fly. Put that on your wall. Do you pay Ripsmod a livable wage? What benefits do they receive? They get health, dental, 401k, and I think the last time I checked, I'm paying them $69.95 an hour. US dollars. I requested a payout from Apex on May 1st. The payout has been under review for 3 days now. Still no reply. That's normal. I mean, sometimes they take 7 days, you know. Potential conspiracy theory that China is trying to do a proxy war against India to try to prevent against manufacturing moving out of China into India. Maybe. Possible. I could see that. Tinfoil hat on. Trying out first 150K account after trading 50Ks for over 2 years. What's your thoughts on account size, mate? That's a good question, Stevie. Personally, I like trading accounts that have a decent amount of drawdown. It's just that you have to adapt your strategy to what account size you're trading, right? The account size that I was trading when I initially started my personal account was $100,000, right? For this stint, not like way back, like January 21st, when we started that personal account that we're going to use for streaming. I put $100,000 into that account. When I make $5,000 in a trade, that's 5%. That's a 5% gain. That's huge. So I had to like slowly scale into that account. Like you see my disappointment yesterday I made $15,000, not because of the dollar amount, but because of the lack of performance I had on that trade. It could have been better. It just could have been better. The trade before that, the day before, that was on Monday, I made $25,000. That's a good trade. But again, it's relative to the account size. Because if we look at like today, making $5,700, let's just call it $6,000. Making $6,000 into an account that has $680,000 into it, that's less than 1%, obviously. It's 0.8%. If I made $15,000 today in a $680,000 account, that's going to be, numbers, 2.2%. So when we're talking about like scaling in prop accounts, it's the same way that I scale in a real live account. If you're trading an account that's got X amount of drawdown, you want to be cognizant of that drawdown and trade in a size that you're not going to get that drawdown hit. And just take it slow. Like some of these props have 1 day pass, which is fine, but it doesn't mean that you have to do it in 1 day. You saw like on the Apex accounts that I just recently lost, those accounts I took like 4 or 5 days. I don't even know. Let's just say 5 days of trading to pass those. You could pass them in 1 day, but you don't have to. I always think, in my experience, it's better to trade how you're eventually going to trade in the funded version of the account, right? That's what I think. You should trade how you're going to trade in the funded version of the account. Now, if you've been trading for a while and you've had, multiple months and years of profitability, then yeah, just get right to it and just pass the thing and then trade it for real when you get into the funded stage. But I think that having a bigger account is beneficial if you know how to handle bigger size. Because, hold on, people are squawking like crazy right now. What's going on? Oh, it's 9. That's why. Turn these people down. If you have an account with a lot of drawdown, it's also going to mean that your profit target is bigger, right? Your profit target is going to be much bigger. So if your profit target is larger, it's going to be harder to hit that profit target, right? Most of the time. So find an account that fits in with a size that you're willing to trade, something that's comfortable for you, and go from there. We are rolling over here. S&Ps are threatening to break much lower. 900's breaking. Wow. That would be huge if it did. You're right, because when you try to pass in 1 day, it creates bad habits for most people. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like, you do that, it's recipe for disaster often. I need another Celsius. One moment. I'm still not touching this price action. Real masters of the craft don't use bad habits sometimes to save time. Trade like you should always trade. Agreed. This is why I like Tradeify straight to funded accounts, because every single trade that you take in those accounts matters. I'll say that again. Every single time you take a trade in a Tradeify straight to sim funded account, it matters. I've traded for 20 trading days in those accounts. I've had 2 payouts. Payouts are totaling, carry the one, $27,000. Oh, 20 days, 27,000. And it's not like it's been like I know what my marching orders are each and every day that I trade those accounts, and just get in and get out and move on. Delicious sludge. But you see my point is like, you want to trade an account size that makes sense to you, and then you just want to make sure that you're trading it in a way that makes sense to the account size. Like if you're trading a ton of contracts, get an account that can support that. If you're finding yourself stopping out and getting popped too often, you probably need more drawdown. But understand that more drawdown means that the profit target is going to be further away, you know? How did you stay with consistency on Tradeify? Very easy calculation. If the profit target is... Where's the dang thing? Let's just say that your profit target is $4,500. We go over this all the time. Okay, your profit target is $4,500 over 10 days. You drop a 1, that's your floor, $450, and then your peak is $900. So every single day you want to land between $450 and $900 of profit. That's it. That's how you figure it out. Let's say that your profit target is 45, or sorry, not 45. What was the first one? 9,000 for the 150K straight to funded. $9,000 your profit target. Ready? Your floor should be 900. Your ceiling should be $1,800. Okay, let's do it for the 50K. Oh dear. All right, let's do it for the 50K. Let me see what the 50K profit target is. So 50K profit target is $3,000. Okay. $3,000. So $3,000. Subtract a 0. Your floor is $300. Your ceiling is $600. Land between $300 and $600 every single day, and you will meet the consistency rule. Why put a ceiling? Because if you go above that, you're going to have to make more profit. And why do you want to make more work for yourself? Do you know what I mean? If you make more profit, then you're going to have a tougher time meeting your goals. So it's a very easy calculation to figure out. The next profit target I have in these bad doggers, I think is, let me see if they reset. Let's see. My profit target in my accounts. Dashboard. My next profit target. Oh, here we go. It's got to load though. It's loading. It is a 20% consistency rule. Yeah. I've been funded with Apex, TPT, and a few others. I've not tried Tradeify yet. I like the idea of straight to funded. It's because every single trade you take matters. That's what I love the most about it. Every single trade you take counts towards your payout. It's amazing. Okay, so my profit target is $3,000 now. It was just $4,500, I think. I don't know. Yeah, $4,500 was my prior profit target. So I just need to make between $300 and $600 a day. That's it. That's all I need to do. That's my sole focus. Right? Pretty easy. Well, not easy, but it's like you understand what you need to do and you just do it. You withdrew your funds, so what is your loss limit now? Let's see. Let's pull it up together, shall we? I got about $9,200 worth of drawdown in my accounts. So $9,200. I should be able to figure this out, right? Have to make $300 to $600 each day. Somewhere in betwixt those two numbers, and then that's it. That's it. I like the idea that it just kind of puts you in a lane of trading, and then you just nail that every single day. That's it. The consistency eventually disappears. Yeah, when they move you to a live account, sure. But you got to maintain consistency. No trades today? I wouldn't say that. We did hit a trade in our Percy for $5,700 right before we came live, as we were coming live. So puts the balance at $687,000. So there you go. So you can trade using multiple accounts. Yes, I trade 5 straight to sim funded accounts. And that's what got me the payout this morning. If you're tuning in late, we got paid out by Tradeify in under 5 minutes. This is my second payout with Tradeify ever. Second payout with them. And we are now, we got $15,000 minus their 10%. So it's $13,500. And it was practically instant. Less than 3 minutes. Yeah, that's right. Less than 3 minutes. So there we go. Any questions? Any other question about Tradeify? Since we have time to kill, really. Locking it up for the day. Nice work there, buddy. Look at that consistency. That is a beautiful thing, Stan. What account are you trading? Stan just posted in Discord. That is beautiful. He's doing the consistency thing. Straight to fund of 150K. That's a beautiful thing. Have you had a payout yet on that thing? On that thing? You've had 2 payouts. Okay. My bad. He's going for payout number 3. He is currently 5 days into it. My man. That's so dope. The thing is, like, I look, there's certain times where I'm going to favor some things over the other. I personally love that I wake up every single morning and then I know exactly the range of profit that I'm supposed to make. I hit that profit target and then I'm just done for the day. You'll often see me trade my Tradeify accounts first on this stream, where I come in, I take a quick trade, I finish up, and I'm done. And that's it. It's dope. If you've been if you've been paid out by Tradeify, drop a 1 in chat. I just want to see how many people have actually been paid out by Tradeify. Drop a 1 in chat. We got Stan. Wow, yeah. For a newer trader 2 years in, would you recommend straight to fund? Probably not. I would say, you know, the growth in the, there's a growth in an advanced account that have similar rules that are going to be a little bit better for you because you're going to get your training wheels. So you might, and it's going to cost cheaper. Straight to funded accounts are a little bit more expensive. I'm on the fence, you know. For the growth accounts, is it the same with 35% consistency? The calculation's a little bit different. Calculations are a little bit different. How long did it take you to become profitable and consistent? This is my 11th year of trading. It took me about 3 years when I first started trading. So about 8 years ago is when I started to turn the corner into profitability. Why are we putting 1 down? Just got back from the bathroom. We were all guessing whether or not you were doing a 1 or a 2 in the bathroom dimension. Everybody thought it was a 1, so that's why you're probably back so quick. The growth is the cheapest in the industry now, compared with many others like TPT, MFFU. Yeah, so do that one, yeah. I personally like the straight to funded because I want all of my trades to count. I'm not a big fan of evaluation accounts. I'm really not. I'm just being honest. Like, I'm just not. It's a chore. You know, it's a chore. It's annoying. It's just like, this whole thing. Just give me a funded account. Let me fly, baby. Do you know people behind Tradeify, and do you think they are a prop firm that will stay in the industry for a while? I think they will. The idea that they had payout windows and then took them away means that there's seriously, they're being serious about being a mainstay in this industry. There's a lot of companies that I'm seeing that may be misappropriating or mismanaging funds. And I'm not going to name any names, but I'm just saying, I think that when you have a company that had a trade, like Tradeify, they had a payout window, obviously to have a buffer with their funds and paying people out. That to me suggests that they are looking for long-term growth in this industry, not some sort of fly-by-night hit and run sort of thing. So all I have in this industry is my name, my reputation, and how I speak about things. I think Tradeify, and you can clip this, I think Tradeify is one of the good ones. I do. I really do. The way that they're managing things makes a whole lot of sense. So, growth is significantly cheaper and only 1 day to pass. Yeah, and that's the thing. Like, it's you can use these accounts and utilize them just fine. Personally, I like using the straight to sim funded. How many trades is too much in your thought? I mean, it's your style, right? If you're a scalper and you're consistently interacting with the markets, maybe it is viable for you to take 20 plus trades in a session. I used to trade for the entire session when I was learning how to trade. It cost me a lot of money because I was really bad at it. And again, people have no idea about this, but I didn't trade props until 2023. My entire trading career, the bulk of my trading career is all using my own capital and losing a lot of it in those first 3 years. Name the companies we got your back. That's funny. Hey Rips, don't you have to go somewhat aggressive when having a profit target to drawdown ratio? Technically, you have to make 130% on the 150K accounts with a 6K trailing drawdown. Yeah, and that's the thing. There's a trade-off with all of these. You got to think about it like this. The rules are in place to teach you how to be the best version of yourself when it comes to trading, for the most part. I've seen some props out there that I would call somewhat predatory rules, where it's not, doesn't make a lot of sense that you would be successful in those types of accounts. I don't trade on any of those prop firms that have those types of rules, personally. But I think, like, look, I've been trading props in 2023. I will say with full confidence that trading on those props has improved my trading in one way at least, minimum. Like there's been something I've learned by trading on these props that has helped me with my real money personal account, personal brokerage trading, for sure. It is a great learning tool because basically, if you do well, you get rewarded with capital, right? You get rewarded with cash if you do well on these accounts. They should not be easy. I'm gonna say that again. These accounts should not be easy. If it were easy, these companies would go bankrupt. It should be somewhat difficult. But I'm telling you, with full honesty, if you learn to play in this wheelhouse of rules, it will improve your trading as a whole. Full stop. And I will die on that hill. You will become a better trader if you are able to trade within these rules. It'll teach you better risk management. It'll teach you size control. It'll teach you to not go on tilt because it's expensive to go on tilt. Not as expensive as your own money, but hey, not a lot of people have a lot of money to start trading. But you will improve. If you're finding the rules too difficult, I got news for you. If you tried it on your own personal account, you'd be getting cooked. You'd be getting cooked. And this is why every single time somebody's like, hey, should I be trading in my own personal account? I'm like, no, absolutely not. You're going to lose every dollar. For real. Like you're going to lose. You're going to get cooked. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. Failed a lot of prop evals in the beginning. The rules were hard for me to abide, but it did make me better. Exactly. Exactly right. Reggie says, in my Rise dashboard, it states everything is completed. Guess I'll try contact support. It takes a while to get hold of them, though. For my Rise whole setup, it took like a day to do the Rise thing. Once that was all set up, you can see it's like instant payouts now. So, Ribs Goldman, I tell my wife all the time, I'm glad this thing is so difficult because if it wasn't, everyone and anyone could do it. Yeah, trading's never going to be easy, but if you spend enough time doing this, it will get more manageable. I've never woken up and been like, this was easy. You do have less challenging sessions than others, but it will never be, quote, easy. And if you think it's easy, you're a liar. Like, I get comments on when I'm posting like the personal account. People will say, oh, it's easy. You have personal capital. Oh, it's easy because of X, Y, and Z. It's never going to be easy. Never. Never. Hey, Rip, should I trade on my personal account is blown in 30 minutes. Yeah, exactly right. You trading today? You missed it. You missed it. You already missed it. I want to do a poll and I want to see what is your current favorite prop? I think I can only do 4 options too. Yeah, I can only do 4. So let's do this. And then what's the other one? Okay. Here we go. I can only do 4. Go ahead and vote. What is your current favorite prop? I'm just curious the temperature of everybody in here. Sounds like happy birthday, Mr. President. A little bit sultry. I accidentally traded minis thinking it was micros yesterday, so I got to reset my TBT Pro account. Oh, dang. That's rough. I have platform issues still to this day, 11 years in. Hot take, but I think seasoned traders can go for the 25K straight to funded, $1,500 profit target, aim for 150 to 300 a day, can be done with micros and get paid. I like that. I like that. Nothing makes me go on tilt faster than platform issues. It's crazy. For the growth, you do 2100 times 0.35 for the max target and 210 for the lowest, just to be sure. Tradeify help center did not answer. When you hover over the consistency rule thing, it'll tell you very easily. Have blown dozens of accounts, slowly learning risk management. Think about if you were doing that in real money, though, how much money you'd be down. That's again why I love props. People don't realize how much of a gift and a blessing it is to have these props. It's crazy. Right now, top 7 in commanding lead with 44%. Second place is at Tradeify. Third place, TPT and Apex are neck and neck. Does Tradeify straight to funded require buffer for payout? Just the profit target. That's it. You just got to hit that profit target. That's it. Yeah, we do have the markets opening in 10 minutes. It's pretty unlikely I'm going to trade any more today. I'm probably going to just lock it up and leave it all alone. Just call it a day, you know? Have bull and knocks, but haven't passed an account, so don't know. Gotcha. If you're not using props to find your edge and instead focus on money, you're doing it wrong. I do agree with that. I do absolutely agree with that. I know I always say that, but today's a special day. It's FOMC, dude. I don't want to get chopped apart. It's definitely not a banner day, but I'm happy. I didn't think I was going to wake up and even trade today, so me having $5,700 in a profit is I'm very happy about that. Given FOMC in hindsight is going to look like, oh my gosh, if you would have just longed here or shorted here, you make a bundle. FOMC can move the market 1,000 points, or it can be like a chop zone, a dangerous chop zone that has low liquidity of 200 points. It could be insane. So, yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. I just don't think it's probably going to be worth. If gun to my head, I would say we're probably going to open lower and continue lower because S&P has given up a lot of support. We are seeing rolling in equities, so I could see us going lower for sure. Yeah, don't try to front run the market. Dude, especially FOMC is going to be nuts. And FOMC is notorious for having a lot of fake outs in the tape. Or just call Jay Powell and find out what's going to happen. Yeah, that'd be, if I could, I would. FOMC is historically a terrible day for most. Yeah, if anybody asks me about hey, should I be trading FOMC? The answer is always no. There's somebody who commented on Twitter that was asking about hey, I got my PAs ready to go. Got them activated today. FOMC is tomorrow. Should I trade it? I said, no, absolutely not. And it's not me trolling. I'm being dead serious. Just wait. The best day to trade FOMC is the afterglow. The next day. Thursday is going to be lovely. We're going to have very well-defined zones in the market. One thing that you just have to find is the strength to not have that hindsight kick in the pants where you're sitting there and you're looking at the screens after FOMC is over and you're like, oh, well, if I would have just longed it here. Oh, if I would have shorted it here. In that moment, probably you wouldn't have found that. I'm just serious. Being serious here. Passed my combine last night at the crazy Asia Open. I'm not activating my account until Sunday. Dude, I love that. Very smart. Every time I trade FOMC, I say never again, but by the time the next one rolls around, I'm like, oh yeah, I can't wait. Yeah, I know. I know the feeling. I'm very happy with $5,700 today. That makes me happy. That's fine by me. turn your sim on and trade it that way if you have to trade. It's going to be so unrealistic, though. I think that it's hard, like, if you're committing to not trade, to respect your sim as like a real account, you know? What color will JPow's tie be today? Well, probably purple. Here's the best way to find out if you could trade FOMC. Ready? Come with me on a mental journey. Here's your checklist. Should I or should I not trade FOMC? Ready? First question you ask yourself. Am I okay with losing every single account that I currently have? Am I okay with losing every single account that I currently have? If your answer is yes, trade FOMC. If your answer is no, do not trade FOMC. Simple as that. That's the cheat code. Just saying. That's the cheat code right there. That's how you find out. That's how you find out. What time is FOMC? 1 p.m. Eastern time. 1 p.m. Eastern time. Or is it 2? Wait, am I wrong? Is it 2? It's 2. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm thinking of auctions right now. I'm sorry. It is 2. I'm an idiot. 2 p.m. and then 2:30. Don't tell me I wrote that wrong in the memo today. Oh, Ripsy. Oh my God. I wrote it wrong in the memo. I wrote it wrong in the memo. I'm so stupid. Holy smokes. Yep. I find retards. We found the one today. It's me. It's me. It's me. I can't believe I wrote 1 p.m. I never do that. Well, it goes to show 11 years in, still a retard. I put 1 p.m. Eastern in the memo. Oh God, these brokerage houses are gonna be like, what is this guy smoking? So anyway, 2 p.m. Eastern time. Oh God. 2:30 is going to be the press conference. He's going to have prepared remarks. So this is how this is going to go. This is how it's going to go. At 2 p.m. Eastern, they're going to come out and they're going to say the FOMC is going to leave rates exactly where they are. They're going to come out and say if there's any dissenters to the decision or if it's unanimous. That is at 2 p.m. Eastern. At 2:30, the moment that Jerome Powell takes the podium, every single thing. Actually, no, I think at 2 p.m. it's going to release the remarks. Now I feel like really stupid right now. I'm doubting myself. It's not a good thing. But anyway, the point is at 2:30, the most important thing that's going to happen is the Q&A. That happens at the time where we have the press conference. The Q&A is what is most important from today because we are not going to see the rates getting dropped. So there's going to be a lot of poignant questions about what is the path forward, how close we are to reaching that dual mandate, and if there's anything deviated from what he said in the last 12 meetings. Okay. So at 2 p.m., we are going to have all of the algorithms instantly digesting that statement that he will read later at 2:30. So at 2:30, when he's reading that statement, the market's really not going to react that much, but it will react on all of the questions. You should be watching it live on the FOMC's YouTube channel. They do have one. They do live stream. That's where you should be watching it. Is that a DJ FOMC? That's funny. Rips is off on the memo because he was too busy playing basketball for the Cavs last night under the name Dean Wade. Dude, you know what's crazy? I swear that this, the new GTA character, I was like, kind of looks like, I don't know. You tell me. Hold on. I got to find a screenshot. Hold on. Tell me if I'm crazy. Maybe I'm crazy, but is that kind of like a little Ripsy hustle right there? Right? Kind of. Yeah? I don't know. Felt like it. Kind of felt like it. A little. Kind of felt like a little bit of. I don't know. I'm excited for that game coming out. It's going to come out in May of 2026. I'm going to be old when that game comes out. It's crazy. It's insane. All right, 2 minutes till the market opens, everybody. 2 minutes. Let's get ready to not trade. Woo-wee! Let's see what this market has for us, huh? Let's see. Got the right PC for that game? Dude, by the time that thing comes out, it's going to be the 6090 in this rig. I swear. I swear. I'm going to be having the 6090 in my rig. And your drivers still won't work for NVIDIA. That sounds about right. Sounds about right. Not coming for PC initially. Maybe it will. It'll be out for the PlayStation 6. Everything's all going to be aligned. PlayStation 6, Xbox 690, and the RTX 6090. There we go. We still have 2 more Tradeify free accounts to give out, so don't delay. Don't go anywhere, I should say. I'm going to have to remake the giveaway, by the way, since there's going to be people that have left. Let's go ahead and end the poll here. Let's see what you folks think. All right, 45 seconds till the market opens. Everybody says top step number 1, Tradeify number 2, Apex number 3, TPT number 4. And it's a close race between those 3. Crazy. Crazy. All right. Inside 30 seconds now, everybody. What is this price action going to do? Let's go to the NQ. What is going to happen here? We got a lot of magical green lines that we're bouncing on right now. And TPT is awesome. Just got paid several payouts. Yeah, the daily payouts are everything for them, right? US and Europe are on the same team, says President Vance. Vice President Vance. I didn't mean to say president. Let's see what happens here. I want to see if this thing can reclaim 900s. Right now it's tussling below, but I don't really trust it short here, even though it's kind of rolling heavily. S&Ps are rolling lower. Equities are getting slaughtered here. It's crazy. Equities are getting thrashed. Looks like it wants to go for the monthly open a little bit. Let's see if we can trade this in Tradeify. I get a little sniper. We have to only make 300 to 600, I think. Let's try this underneath 80s. Oh, my bookmap's freezing up a little bit here. See if we can get this thing down right around that monthly open, like 840s or so. See if we get this little flushacito. It's hesitating. A little hesitation here. We're building up some orders. Oh, we got stopped out. Dang it. Let's see if we have a follow-up trade to take. That drew some liquidity and then it went sky high. See if it goes all the way up to like 920s, 910s. That was a massive reversal. We got Google that's booling right now, Amazon bouncing, Nvidia bouncing. Let's see, let's see. That was a quick stop out too. 2 contracts. Very fast movement. Let's see if we get it back above like 910, we can start surging up higher and start popping some stops here. If we get any stops getting popped, this could be strong all the way up through 935, but we have to see stops getting popped above 920. That's kind of our danger zone on this one. Okay, watching here for the breakout of 20s. Do we get it? Right now, 20 is that line in the sand that we had earlier that we were trading right around. Tricky, tricky. 20s are hesitating a little bit here. We could see this rinse right back down, which is where it's going. Stopped out again. Trying to trade breakouts on FOMC day. I tell you, a wise man once said, probably not a great idea. That actually triggered me back in. Unbelievable. Now I'm looking to see if we hold like 890s. Look at how thin this is too. 20s are that line in the sand. Do we break it? Shake it, don't break it. Get above those 20s and we cook. Let's see. Still a little bit heavy into those 20s, but if we did see a little breakout, this thing would pop right to those 40s. Very thin, very, very thin. We rejected too in the S&Ps right at 56.44. So let's see. It's running out of steam a little bit here, but if we broke out of those 920s, oh my goodness, would it ever. It would really give us that push. Defending 910s. Do we get the breakout of 910s into those 20s? It's getting awfully thin now too, which is not great. Might get stopped out for a third time here. And at that point, I'd probably just call it. And stopped out. Yeah, it rolled down. Unfortunate. Tricky, tricky, tricky. What you gonna do? A very choppy open. Came down, came up, came down, came up. We're just snaking around here. We are seeing a mixed picture too in the Mag 7, which is insane. I'm still seeing if there's a potential. All right, we're back. NVIDIA drivers, go figure, right? We are back. Good old NVIDIA drivers, back again. Go figure, right? No, it froze. It froze. It's the NVIDIA drivers again. Amazon's going straight up here. AMD's Lisa Sube is talking on CNBC right now, by the way. I'm not running with the studio drivers. I'm running with the gaming drivers. That's probably the issue, right? It's got to be what the issue is. If we sold below 70, I think we could tag the monthly open. I'm being optimistic though. You can see how very thin this is and nobody's taking it for the sweep below 70 yet. Trying to be entirely optimistic on this. Hesitating here at the 890s, but I don't know if it's going to hold the break to 70s. Let's see. If we can actually get this dump and flush below 70s, that would be absolutely lovely, but we don't have the mustard to push yet. Gotta get through. This is the music for it. This is like the break of 70s music. Go on, you can do it. You can break down, baby girl. Don't be shy now. Just a little bit more. Don't be shy. You can do it. Put your back into it now. Just a little, just right there. Just right there. That's all we need. Right there, right there. Don't be shy. It's 70. Everybody wants to sell 70s. Come on. One time. Everybody's selling 70s. How dare you make that the bottom of the day? S&Ps are refusing to break it too. What a load of hullabaloo. It's pretty likely we're now going to sweep up at these highs again. Sweep up at these highs and then probably break these lows after we get enough liquidity because nobody's selling those 70s yet. We just don't have the mustard to push through. We're holding. Holding at the 70s. If we broke them down, I would be a happy boy. Go on, just do it. Just do the dang thing. Get the push. Just do it. If you complain enough, the market will hear you, I heard. It's crazy because like there's people that are just collecting bids down there, and obviously I shouldn't be like hoping for the break. The trigger should be on that break, but we're in the trade. We gotta ride this thing. This is the fate that we are just tied to this fate currently. On this stupid, ridiculous trade. They're just holding bids and holding bids and holding bids. Holding bids. 30 handle whip up to 900. Oh. What are you watching? What is that stream in there that you're watching? What is that? Go back? Come on down to Gracetown. Just a little. And now we're probably going to break out up top. Wait, we still have some accounts that are still active. Hold on. And there we go. Stopped out. No, we did it. Dang it. What are you going to do? We wanted those 70s to break so bad that we just didn't take the trade down. What are you going to do, though? I like this music, though. This is very fitting for this price action. Let me make sure I have my copy group set up for this. Hold on. All right, let's try this. I want to just slam this thing lower now out of spite for these markets. I want to see this thing sent super duper low. I think it was Amazon. Amazon is what did the trick to us. Amazon has the biggest candle I've seen in weeks. Amazon's still surging, by the way. It's crazy. We got the reversal into the reversal into the reversal here. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Sounds like a Nintendo code to me. The longer it holds here, though, the more likely it is that we're going to test those lows again. That's how I feel about things. Oh, those are gone too. Dang it! Now what? I know what we do. I have a really good idea. Wait for it. I have a really good idea now. I have a really good idea. Waiting on this pullback. Let's see. All right, we're in. We're in there. Oh, baby, we're in there. Under contracts with a personal account. You're nuts. I would never touch my personal account. Why would I ever trade my personal account in this? Are you insane? Are you nuts? Oh, this might be the juicer right here. Oh. Wait for it. Wait for it. How is there still accounts that are surviving through this? This is what I don't understand. Oh no. No, no. There's accounts that are actually surviving through this. That's not ideal. Hold on. As soon as that position number goes, there we go. Whew. All right, we did it. Post number 1, post number 2, post number 3. I think we get over 150,000. I'm pretty sure we get over 150,000 on this. I'm just saying. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. All right, let's give away some more Tradeify accounts here. Remember, to win, you have to be following me on X and on Instagram. Keyword is going to be blown. As in blown. B-L-O-W-N. Blown. There you go. Wait, what's the biggest number that we can get up here? We have 2 Tradeify accounts to give away. 2 left. Oh my God! Something happened. Somebody said something. Probably JD Vance. Vance in the pants. Poland Central Bank cut their base rate. Wow, I'm not sure what's causing that, but Poland cut their rates. I mean, something about an M&A on the call. I don't know. Dude, wow, break at 70s now. Look at this thing going. Can it actually hold 70s? I don't know. All right, let's see here. We got 250 people in the giveaway. Let's do the first one. This is for a free Tradeify account. Ready? Set. Brah! Futures trader. I mean, that could be any of you. Futures trader, where are you? Oh, I love you too, buddy. Yes, you did finally win. What is your username on X or on Instagram? This is the part where it's very important. I gotta put you on the clock now. You got 1 minute starting now to claim. Okay, that was easy. Stoic Pips Master. Ooh, FX trader, huh? Yeah, you do follow me. Look at that. Sending you the message. Follow the instructions in the message. All right, so this is for the final Tradeify account. The final Tradeify account. Final. Here it is. Love you too, buddy. It is going to Kenny, you. Kenny, I feel like you're in the Discord. Oh, Kenny. All right, what's can you type something in Discord so I can send you the message? Go over to that Discord. Type in a message so I can... Hello, there you are. Hi. There we go. All right, everybody. That's it for me. Golly, another day. I just can't figure out these markets again. We did make some money in reality today. We did make... Oh, where's the dang thing? Ding, 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 ding. There we go. Did make $5,700 today in real money, but don't tell anybody that on X. Let's keep the let's keep it going. Don't tell anybody about this. This is between us. It does put the account at $687,000 in profit since January 21st. All right, everybody. I'll be back here tomorrow for Thursday when we trade the FOMC Afterglow. It's gonna be a hoot. I'm very much looking forward to that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So don't miss that. If you are going to trade today, be very, very careful. It's not a good environment for trading. It's never going to be a good environment. FOMC, pre-FOMC announcement, even post-FOMC announcement, it's still very, very difficult. Extremely difficult. So be careful out there, okay? Be careful. Be careful. Go take a break today. You've earned it. You've earned it. All right, everybody. Take care. Folks on Discord, don't go anywhere. Folks on YouTube and X, I'll see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.